August 9 day, urban local bodies elections te jita elected councillors khan naga second day orientation workshop shuru hoise. Nyathu resort chumugid made. Opening program de kotha korea homoy urban development or municipal affairs la minister Jalio Rio prakuise councillors khan funds pabule tinta ways ase. Taba state government nutun anti-defection lobby introduce korea la kotha koise. IB details sabo.
God examines our motives. Clean living before God and justice with our neighbors means far more to God than religious performances.
The channel of communication is always open, and it is not always official because there is a lot of informal communication that can be done. So please don't hesitate to reach out to the officers, to me, and you know that our doors are always open to listen to your suggestions, to listen to your problems. We hope that we will learn and excel as we go along, because this is not something that has been done before. And may I also suggest that we have just enacted I think last year it was enacted, the Municipal Affairs Act 2023. This will be your guiding light. I hope that you will memorize each and every page and each and every paragraph that is there, because unless this is amended through an act of the legislature, this is basically the set of rules that will govern our functions.
Our state government, successive government, was led by our present Chief Minister, Srini Purio. When the government sincerely wanted to conduct ULB election, there were numerous roadblocks, there were differences, there were confusions over legal matters, over our customary traditions, culture, and debate also over the infringement upon Article 371A of the Constitution. Nevertheless, through God's help and with resilience and committed effort of the present NDPP-PDL-led government under the dynamic leadership of Srini Purio, we could hold this election for 25 ULBs. 14 ULBs from the ENPO areas could not participate. Some call it abstention, some call it boycott. But I leave it to your best judgment. But we are very happy that under the dynamic leadership of PDA government, led by Srini Purio, and with the support of 60 legislators in Nagaland Legislative Assembly. So I want to congratulate, it's my own government, my leader, and our colleagues, but this could be possible because even our tribal organizations, our civil societies, our students' body, our mothers' association, and all NGOs, after series of deliberation, series of consultations, could pave way for the government. The guidelines are there in your Municipal Act 2023. But in that, it has also been very clearly spelled. Let me tell you. Municipal Council, we have three in Nagaland, that is Dimapur, Kohima, Mokchun. Under Municipal Council, a chief election officer will be assisted. I know the chairperson is the overall boss. Under him, there is a deputy chairperson. Then, when you give out assignments or portfolios, yes, I know you also have a composition of different political parties. In some ELBs, there may be coalition partners because of numbers. In some ELBs, municipal council or town council, you may have one political party running the affairs or going to run the affairs. That doesn't matter, but in that also it has clearly spelled that the powers of administrator, I will explain later. He will be the controlling officers of the officers and staff. The administrator or ADC, let us, to make it more simple. ADC come administer the present nomenclature we're using. He will have a joint signature and a joint accounts over. All these things are done. So what I'm trying to imply or tell is, you are about to start functioning. So right from day one, don't have this kind of ego problem or this kind of attitudes to one another. Here I want to come to the main things. Here, what I would suggest, you will be having a detailed session in your business session. So what I want to tell our elected councillors, and particularly to the respective chairpersons and deputy chairpersons, our ELBs are in existence. There are generation of revenues. It was not regular, but we have been getting external grants. When we say external grants, I'm talking about the grant and aid given from the state government and the be it 14 Finance Commission or 15 Finance Commission from Government of India. For your funding, you will have three main sources of financing or funding. First will be your generation income on various items notified in the Act. You can levy taxes or fees on those specified items and collect revenue. I'll make it very simple. It is that. What is not allowed in the Act is you cannot collect tax on land and buildings. In other words, on properties. Many ULBs, they have been coming to me. Sir, what about restoration of toll gates? We are taking up with the government. And mind you, even in our Municipal Act, the Act provides that municipalities or ULBs also can collect toll gates tax. But the situation as of now is, see, with national highways coming and cutting across our state through the district, the ULBs will not be allowed to collect toll gates on national highways. But I led my department. We had a discussion with Cabinet, with CM, that the Act provides that the ULBs can collect toll tax, toll gates tax. And many ULBs are also complaining. This is one main source of our revenue. So I know gradually you all will come to the department for restoration of collection of toll gates tax. But we're also applying our mind, and we're also fighting that ULB should be also allowed or restore the toll gates collection. So the state will apply its wisdom, and wherever checkposts, wherever areas, ULBs can be allowed to collect such tax. That will be studied, that will be thought of, and we hope that this will be restored. That is that. And that's why I say your revenue collection is a very important source of income. And so you should have a very good discussion, and you can also, and you should get a fair idea of which are the items revenue has been generated. And there are many ways you can. So you have to explore into that. In order to keep your newly established urban local bodies, to ensure stability of the constituted urban locals, seeing the needs and to ensure ULBs, because with great difficulties, 20 years, we could hold election. Because of some political instability, because of vested interest by few section of elected members, we have taken a precaution. So, government, we have come out with one anti-defection law. It is in your bag. If you are not clear, you also seek clarification. But here, see, we have promulgated an ordinance dated 25th July 2024. I'll only read a relevant portion. If you have, or I may provide it will be found in your bag. So here, under Chapter 2, disqualification on ground of defection is by any member, from one political party to another political party. I'll just read out. A member of a house of the urban local body belonging to any political party shall be disqualified for being a member of the house. Reasons why. If he has voluntarily given up his membership of such political party, so if you are an NDPP, you have given up your membership from NDPP or BJP or anywhere. And for your information, with this ordinance in force, if you are elected from independent, you cannot merge with any political party. So these are certain important points. So if he has voluntarily given up his membership of such political party, by which he was set up as a candidate for election as such member, then to be read with 3 of Chapter 2. Disqualification on ground of defection not to apply in case of merger. A member of a house shall not be disqualified under paragraph 2, which I have just read out above, where not less than 2/3 of the members of his legislative party have decided to merge with another legislative party in the house. In other words, this will not happen, I know, and should not happen. But in case from any political party, unless you have secured 2/3 of the elected members to join another political party, I hope no temptation. I have nothing, no problem. But we want to make you clear. If, for whatsoever reason, unless you secure 2/3 to join a new political party, if it is short of 2/3, 3 भाग ते 2 भाग ना थकेले. Example, we have all the people from far off district. 9 elected members, the 2/3 will be Shweta Hobalage. Am I right? 9 member bitode Shweta to dosa party logo merge kuro bole disqualify no. Kintu pasta polavo korle to polai jabe, you will be disqualified. Aro apna vote de aro election korena dosa notun lo. This is the expression. So, and this is just an ordinance. So, ordinance also have some fixed period. But I think in the upcoming session, that is slated for 26 August, this will be introduced in the assembly as a bill, or legislation to be ek hobo. Itu ane na janai to, kwa nai to, ina jokhom na khabe.